Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Solve and Answer. In today's video, I will be doing Chapter 1, Standard 9, Number System, Exercise 1.3. I will be doing the important sums in this exercise and also sharing some tricks. So please watch my video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos updates. So let us start. The question here is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So here you have been given a fraction. आपको एक fraction दिया गया है and then you have to divide it and find the decimal form of it, and also you should say what kind of decimal expansion it is. So let us start dividing. So this number here 36 by 100. This you can consider it to be in and this out. This is a small trick which you so that you don't get confused with the numbers. Okay, 36 inside and 100 here. Okay, then see this number is smaller than the divisor, so what you're doing is you take a point and make it 360, add a 0 over here, then 100, 3 becomes 300, 60, and because you have taken a point here you can take one more 0, then 100 6 is 600, then you get the remainder 0. So now you cannot further divide. The division has been stopped. It has been terminated. So you say this is terminating. So the decimal expansion over here is terminating. Second one again 1 and 11 in and out. So this 1 and then 11, 0.0 here. But this number again the dividend is smaller than the divisor. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will take one more 0 and make it 100. So 11 9 is 99. Remainder is 1. So because you have taken a point here, you can take 1 0, but still it is smaller than the number in the divisor's place. So आप क्या करोगे? You take one more 0 here, make it 100. Then 11 9 again 99. You get 1 back. So ये जो number 1 है, it's going on repeating. So this division will go on continuing. You will not have the remainder 0. This division will not stop. So it is non-terminating. And the values in the place of this quotient here, they are going to repeat. Okay, again you will get 0 and 9 over here. So it is repeating. And how you're going to write? 1 by 11 is equals to 0.0909 और 0.09 and जो numbers जो repeat हो रहे हैं उसके ऊपर आप एक bar डाल दो. That's it. Then the third one here is 4 1 by 8. So 4 1 by 8 is a mixed fraction converted to an improper fraction. 4 is a 32 plus 1 33 by 8, and then again this in and out. So this is in and this is out. 8 4 is 32. Okay, then 1 you got, put a point, make it 10, then 8 1s are 8, you get 2, make it 20, then 8 2s are 16, you get 4, you can make it 40, then 8 5s is 40, and then you get the remainder 0. So this means the division is being stopped, so this is terminating. So the fourth one now. The fourth one here is 3 divided by 13. So you are going to divide 3 and 13. Take a point, make it 30. Then 13 2s is 26. Then 4. Because you have taken a point, make 40. Then 8 13 3s is 39. You get 1. Make it 10 again, but this is smaller compared to 13. You will put a 0 here and then make it 100. Then 13 7s is 91. You get remainder 9. Make it 90. Then 13 6 is 78. And you get 12 over here. Add 1 0. And 13 9s is 117. So you got this number 3 back. So you have to be very careful when you're dividing and see whether you get the number back. So ये 3 आपको दोबारा मिल गया. Then that means all these number will be repeated again. So this is non-terminating. The division will not stop. And it is reoccurring or repeating. And you are going to write it like this. And just draw a line here. Then the fifth one is 2 divided by 11. So this becomes 20. 11 ones are 11. Then you get remainder 9. Made it 90. 11 8 size 88. You get 2. So this 2 you got it back. So again this is what? Non-terminating. Okay, and the values what you are getting here will be repeated. So repeating. And how you are going to write it? 2 by 11 is equals to 0.18 and put a bar. Now the last sum. So here you are going to divide 329 with 400. So 329 is a smaller number. Take a point, add a 0. 408 is 3200. Subtract, you get 90, which is smaller. So take one more 0. 402 is 800. Subtract, you get 100. Take one more 0. 402 800. Subtract, you get 200. Take 1 0, it becomes 2000. So 405 is 2000. So now you got remainder 0. So this is terminating. There's a small trick which I would like to share here is, if you want to find out the decimal expansion is terminating or not, you see the numbers in the denominator's place and take out the prime factors of it. So here 100, the prime factors are 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2. So if you are having 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 together as a prime factor, then that is terminating. 11, prime factors are 11 and 1, so it is not terminating. 8, 2 to the power of 3, so 2 again, so it is terminating. 13, 11 both are not terminating. 400, the prime factors are 2 to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 2. So 2 and 5 together, so it is terminating. So this was the trick. So let us move on to the next sum of this exercise. Question number 3, express the following in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. You have been given a decimal expansion, you want to convert in P by Q form. Earlier what we did, we were given P by Q form and we found out the decimal expansion. So you don't know the P by Q form of 0.6. So you assume it to be X. So let X be 0.6 and one number is going to repeat here. So multiply both the sides by 10. So 0.6 and there's a bar on 6. So that means 10x is 6.6 because 0.6 means 0.666 and so on. So the point will shift and it becomes 6.6. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now you're going to subtract equation 1 from 2. So these are the steps we are going to follow. 10x minus x is equals to 6.6 minus 0.6. So 9x is equals to 6. So x is 6 by 9. You can simplify it further and you will get x is 2 by 3. So now you got the P by Q form of 0.6, that is 2 by 3. Now the next sum, let x be 0.47 where only one number 7 is going to repeat. So you are going to multiply both the sides by 10 because one number is going to be repeated. You will get 10x is, so this point shifts here, it becomes 4.7. This is 0.74777 and so on. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtract equation. So same process, same procedure you need to follow. Equation 1 from equation 2. 10x minus x will give you 4.7 minus 0.47. So you want two numbers after decimal, so you can write 4.77 also. So 9x is 4.3. X is 4.3 by 9. X is 43 by 90. You can also write it this way. So the answer is 0.47 is 43 by 90. The P by Q form of it is 43 by 90. Now the last sum of this exercise, of this question, 0.001. So let x be 0.001. Multiply both the sides because three numbers are going to repeat. You are multiplying both the sides by 1000. So 1000x is equals to, so the point shifts over here. This number is 0.001 and the point will shift. Okay, so it becomes 1.001. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. So subtract equation 1 from 2. 1000x minus x will give you 1.001 minus 0.001. So 999x will give you 1. X is 1 by 999. So 0.001, the P by Q form is 1 by 999. Now the last sum of this exercise. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7, 9 by 11. So here you have been given two rational numbers 5 by 7, 9 by 11, and you're going to find out three irrational numbers between them. So rational numbers are terminating, non-terminating and repeating, whereas irrational numbers are non-terminating and not repeating. For example, root 2, root 3, pi are some examples. The value of pi here is 3.14. 15 and so on. So see the numbers after decimal, they are not repeating, and the decimal expansion is also not terminating. So now you're going to divide the numbers 5 by 7 first. So it's a smaller number, take a point, add a 0. Then 7 is 49, you get 1. Then add a 0, then 7 1 is 7. You get 3, add a 0. Then 7 4 is 28. You get 2, add a 0. Then 7 2 is 14. You get 6, add a 0. Then 7 8 is 56. You get 4, add a 0. Then 7 5 is 35. So now you got the remainder 5. So you got the same number back. So this expansion is not terminating. Next, you're going to divide 9 and 11. Add a 0, take a point, add a 0 and 11. 8 is 88. Then 11 1 is 11. You got 9 0. Then 11 8 is 88. And now you are getting the same numbers. Even this is not terminating. So what numbers I got, I will write it here. 0.714285 and 0.8181. So there can be infinite irrational numbers between the two rational numbers. I can write any three of them. They shouldn't be repeating. 0.72072 00 72 000 and so on. Other number I can take is 0.74018940 and so on. See the numbers, they aren't repeating. Then the last one 0.80, then 780078000 and so on. So this was the answer for this question. Hope you have understood the way I've shown in this video. Please share my video and also comment in the section down below.